Your neck's been messed up? Because when you're going along here, you feel left side for sure, right up there. And you're, actually, left side right there. Yeah. Couple spots there. Let me get this lower on the right here. We gotta get upper on the left.
Wow.
Man. So we got in here, we gotta get a little bit upper.
Okay.
That's where I was feeling some stuff. Open up here, bud.
Damn. You just pulled my neck earlier and it's still cracking.
If we don't get 100 cracks, we didn't do the job.
101.
101.
Oh, wow.
Woo! This for the neck curve, and you're going to be flying high, my friend.